Hi, how you going? I'm Leah from Leah's Cookbook Ideas. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to make Leche flan, caramel. It is delicious, so let's go and I'll show you how. For my caramel Leche flan, I have got 6 egg yolks, half a can of condensed milk, 1 can of caramel condensed milk, which is Dulce de Leche, can't even say it properly, and 1 can of evaporated milk. And over here I'm going to make a caramel, which is sugar and water. So I've just whisked that all together, and now I'm just making my caramel toffee that I'm going to put in my little pan. Okay, once I've cooked my sugar syrup and it turns into a toffee, I've poured it into this dish and I'm going to pour the rest over it, and then I'm going to steam it. Just pouring it over the caramel. Okay, now I'm going to wrap my caramel Leche flan in some foil, and I'm going to steam it on top of my stove with the bamboo steamer. You can most certainly make a steam bath in the oven. Okay, now it is wrapped. I'm going to put it on my stove with my bamboo steamer and let it steam for about an hour. Now it is steaming away, and the reveal. Here is the caramel Leche flan. Now it's time to taste.
8.8. Delicious.
So if you love this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time for another fun video. Cheers!